done homework on page 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's take a look at question 3. Is there any units we must put on page 3? Question 1 of practice 2. The aeroplane and boat question. What units do we need to have? Okay, very good. Okay, can you check whether you wrote meters for every blank? For the aeroplane and boat question, because the aeroplane is 45 meters, the boat is 37 meters. So you realize that the blanks will need you to write in the units as well. Yes, very good. So have you already checked your units? Take out your worksheet and check your units. Okay, have you done the questions? You write the units in now if you forgot about it, okay? All right? Yes, so the first one is the comparison model. Can you also check whether you wrote down the annotations? Like the aeroplane minus the boat will give you the more than or longer part. So this is page 3. Can you check page 3? Do you write down all the units that you need to have? Yes, you did. And then the second one on total. So above the brackets for total, you wrote aeroplane plus boat give you the total. So check your units now. Have you written all the units for page 3? And then you did your working as a side here, right? So you wrote the 45 minus minus 37. And you did the regrouping correctly. Yes. Okay, very good. Well done. Okay, let's check now. Next page, page 4. Are there any units? No, just tens, right? So these are tens. And then on question 3 of page 5, what's the story about? Buds. Okay, very good. Now let's go on to page 6 now. Have you done page 6? It was optional. Yes, some of you are done, right? So Alicia, page 7 is on YouTube. All the questions before are homework. All right? Put your worksheet on the table now. Okay, on page 6, question 4, the first part of the story already tells you about the total mass. It tells you there's a pencil case, and then it tells you there's a battery. And it tells you that the total, two of them put together, will give you 476 grams. Yes. And you already can see it's about mass, and the units that was given is grams. So after reading the first sentence, I circled the word total mass. It tells me that the pencil case and the battery, both of them together, is 476 grams. Yeah. So the whole bar is 476. Now, did they give you the pencil case mass? The mass of the pencil case is 316. All right, so you have the mass of the pencil case. That is 316 grams. But then you realize that, it didn't give you the battery. Yeah, very good, Travis. So you got the A answer, A question. You got to use the total, which is 476 grams, minus the pencil case, which is 316 grams, so that you can get your battery. Because you already have your pencil case, you need to find the battery, this part here. So it's a part hole model. I'll do my working at the side, 476 minus 316. Yeah. Okay, so very nice. This question, the first part A, the numbers are not big. It's easy to calculate. It's 160 grams. Make sure you have your units as well, okay? Rita, have you completed this question? It's on page 3. Page 6, sorry. Question 3 on page 6. Question 4 on page 6. No, I'm doing it now. You're doing it now? Yes? So make sure you have all the parts, okay? Yeah, the homework was page 3, 4, and 5. Only some of our friends did it as extra homework because they wanted to try it out. I didn't. Pranita asked whether she can do. Do you do all the annotation steps? Remember, I want to see RACE practice. I want to see you reading it. I want you to make annotations and be very sure what you're looking for. I want you to be able to write down the annotations, draw the model, make sure you have your units. Now, then you have the next part of the question, part B. Already written here for you, and the model is also drawn for you. So, part B is like the second question. Now, the second part, you already know the pencil case, and you already know the battery. Because the first part, you already found out that the battery is 160 grams because you calculated it out. Now, do you still need the total in this question? Part B? No need. What you need is the part that says heavier. So you need the part that's heavier. So you will realize that I'm doing comparison. I need to see yeah, how much extra we need to compare versus pencil case versus the battery. So who's longer is the pencil case. So you can spell out pencil case or you can just write PC and B for battery. So for the second part, you already know the answer to the first part, that is the battery here. So you can write down pencil case 316 grams and battery 160 grams. Then the question asks you for how are they not the same? And you realize that it's this extra part that is coming out. Because if I cut here, right, if I make a cut here, I cut this away, it looks just like an equal sign. That means the battery and the pencil case will become the same if I chop out the tail here. Then you will know that this is the part that is heavier. So I'll take the pencil case minus the battery to find out how much heavier it is. So I will take 316 grams minus the 160 grams of battery to find out the answer. Very good. Can you also make sure that you have regrouped nicely? Okay? And then you see, okay, I got page 6 completed as well. Well done. I'm going to skip pages, okay? Okay. You want to see this a bit bigger? If you're not done, right, you can go home and catch me on YouTube. Okay? And remember to subscribe and like. Okay? Thank you. Can you watch my YouTube channel, not the McDonald guy? And then when he come back, the McDonald's said no. Thank you for sharing. Please sit down. But you are not supposed to have the channel at your age. Yeah, under age. Huh? Okay, then maybe you can tell mommy about the channel and get mommy and get your mommy to share with me. Okay? So that I know what you're doing. I will never disturb yours. Oh. I think I only have enough money to. I think my daddy has only enough money to subscribe. Thank you for your excitement, but can you please focus on the work here? I'm talking about going to my YouTube channel because you need to catch up on revising what sometimes it's too difficult for you or it's too fast for you. You need to repeat me. I cannot repeat in class, but you can repeat me from home, right? And you can make me go faster or go slower also. Now, I'm going to skip the pages now. We were at page 7. We did page 7 yesterday. I'm going to look at page 8 now. Okay. Actually, I want to skip all the way to the back. I want to try one question that is here. Page 11. Okay. So boys and girls, I want you to take a look at page 11 now. Page 11. Okay. Now, there's a very big space on page 11. Correct. It shows that you have quite a bit of work to do. Okay, you need to do the raise step, you need to do the annotations, you need to do the model drawing, you need to do the working. Okay. All right, so we are on page 11, and let's take a look at the story here. Question 3 on page 11. Are you here? Sit properly. Alicia, stay focused. 2 hands on the table. Put your leg on the ground. Right, let's read the story together. 1, 2, 3. All right, good. So now that we read the first round, let's take a look. It says here there's a doll as well as a toy car. So I actually have a doll and I also have a toy car. Now, there's a number here. The number says 950 grams. This 950 grams, is it the doll or the toy car or what is it? both. The two of them add together. How do you know? Because of the word and. Okay, very good. Thank you. So you know that, okay, you have the dog and the toy car together because of the word. Because together is 950 grams because of the word and. The two objects together weigh 950 grams. The next sentence says the dog weighs 600 grams. Full stop. So this, hold on, the 600 grams belongs to the dog. Okay, then here comes the question that August asking. Do you have the amount for the quota? Oh, sorry. Do you have the amount of the quota? No. But they did not ask for the toy car. Right? What are they asking for? How much heavier? No, this is a very important. Yes, very good. I like what you are saying. You realize that, hey, the question is not asking for the toy car, but it's asking for heavier. It's asking for how much heavier. It's a comparison. It is saying the dog versus the toy car. But I don't even know what the toy car is. So Indian says we need to find out the toy car first. So I'm going to add a question here that says, hey, what do we need? We need a question part A. First, like Indian says, step 1. What is the mass of the toy car? I don't know the toy car. What is the mass of the toy car? I need to find the mass of the toy car first. Then I can answer the next question on A here. If I don't know the toy car, I can't do it. Now, I can draw. Look, do you think the dog is heavier or the toy car is heavier? How do you know the dog is heavier? Ah, very good. Well done. Okay, first of all, I hear Yin Tian loud and clear. He's saying, look, there's the word there. How much heavier is the dog? It's already telling you that this is a bigger number. A heavier mass is a bigger number. And then the toy car is a smaller number. Very good. And then how Justin says even a more important clue. He says, hey, look at the numbers. The doll is 600 grams. Together, it's just about 900 and a bit more. It shows you that the doll is going to be bigger values, bigger number. So I will draw a bigger bar for the doll and then a smaller bar for the toy car as the first household model. So altogether is 950 grams. The doll is the bigger amount. The doll is 600. You don't know about the toy car. So with that, many of our friends already know I need to use the total minus away the dot, the whole to get me the toy car. Yeah, okay. So it's 950 grams minus the dot, that is 600 grams, to give me the toy car. Let me do the working on the left here. 350. Ah, very fast. Someone got the first answer, 350 grams. So the first answer I could have is the toy car weighs 350 grams. Now, then the next part comes in, part A. Now, your challenge is to go home and find me on YouTube. Find this on YouTube today. And see if you can, because I'm going to upload this later. Okay, so I'm going to draw the door here. It's a heavier bar. It's almost, I'm going to draw it at almost the same size as the bottle on top. And it was 600 grams for the door. Versus the toy car, the toy car is shorter. I'll try to draw it about the same size as just now how I did. So this is the door is 600 grams. And then the toy car now I know is 350 grams. So the question asks for heavier, which we now know is our friends say you need to cut here. Chop. Sorry, Ben and Najira, you have to almost finish it, okay? No, I'm not gonna wait for you. You have to go home and find me on YouTube. So I'm gonna cut it here. Let me make it really clear. Why? I think the main reason is because sometimes you are using device for the wrong reasons. Yeah, you're always using it to play games and watch what don't know what spoiler, then of course you don't have enough. Your parents will not want you to. Yeah. If you're doing the right thing, you're doing your learning with the device, I think your parents will pay. But if you're always like taking the device to play games, watch random videos, um, yes, I know. Oh, sorry, we need to hurry a bit, okay? Madam Nazir is already waiting for you. Okay, so your challenge today is to go home and find my video on YouTube and catch up on what you have missed out that you cannot finish now. Okay? All right, I have already finished the work here. Yeah, you need to go home and find me out. Okay, I'm finished. Bye bye. 10, 9. Yeah, you're just going to do it at home. The challenge today is to find me on YouTube. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2. I'll share the link with your parents, okay? So they know that you have my channel. Okay, bye-bye.